All right, and we are back at it again. We're going to do a 4-pack rip today. Mainly Avatar, 2 Avatar, Foundations, and a Throne of Eldraine. So we'll get right into it. As always, we'll scan some of the mythics and rares at the end. If we pull any mythics, it'd be nice. And go from there. Let's make sure this camera is straight enough. All right, let's get it rolling. We will start out with, you know what, we'll do the avatars first. Put them in the right order. And we are starting out with a turtle duck. Abandoned attachments. Deserter's Disciple. It'll quench ya. Sold out. Rabaroo Troop. Sandbender Storm. Cat Gator. Aang the Last Airbender. Nice. Gran. Then Secret Tunnel. This land can't be blocked. Tap, add 1 colorless. 4, tap. 2 target creatures you control that share a creature type can't be blocked this turn. Ooh, look at that. Ran and Shaw. Double rare. Alright. Legendary creature, dragon, flying, firebending 2. When Ran and Shaw enter, if you cast them and there are 3 or more dragon and or lesson cards in your graveyard, create a token that's a copy of Ran and Shaw, except it's not legendary. 3 in a red. Dragons you control get +2/+0 until end of turn. Looks like that'd be good for any dragon deck. Love the art on that. Rebellious Captives is the foil. And then a Plains card. And an ally. And Clue card. Not bad for a first pack of the day. We'll go into, you know what, we'll do Foundations next. Love me a pack of Foundations. Can't go wrong with a nice base set. Okay, we've got Healer's Hawk, Giant Growth, it's a classic, Strix Lookout, Broken Wings, Hungry Ghoul, Burst Lightning, hold a couple of those, Gleaming Barrier, Quake Strider Ceratops, a 12/8. Hilarious. Reassembling Skeleton. Inspiration from Beyond. Balmor Battle Mage Captain. I'd go well on my bird deck. Then Azul Ashur Lich Lord. Ward, pay 2 life. You may cast target zombie creature card from your graveyard this turn. That's pretty cool. Then a foil Light Shell Duo. Then Blossoming Sands. And a Kaito Cunning Infiltrator emblem. And a Ninja token creature. Alright, now we'll do Throne of Eldraine. Thinking about what new box I should get. I have some pre-orders out for the newest one in January. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles one's coming out, and then I already pre-ordered the Marvel Superheroes one. That's not until I think June. So, any ideas? Put in the comments. All right, Eye Collector, Outflank, Tome Raider, not Tomb Raider, Tome Raider, Silver Flame Ritual, Ogre Errant, Garenbrig Squire, Weapon Rack, Ardenvale Tactician, Smitten Swordmaster, Archon of Absolution, Wondermare, Order of Midnight. The rare is Sorceress Spyglass. As Sorceress Spyglass enters the battlefield, look at opponent's hand, then choose any card name. Activate abilities of sources with the chosen name can't be activated unless they're mana abilities. Merchant of Vale. Is that a foil? It is a foil. It's hard to tell though, but it is foiled. It actually looks really cool, not on camera. Like the sky is shiny, but like you can kind of, yeah, there you go, you can kind of tell. Huh. A forest, and then a night token, and that is it. All right, let's go into the last pack. Avatar. Them in order. We've got, starting off with Rumble Arena, Mongoose Lizard, Pillar Launch. I do like the flavor text on that. Top Fated Flying. Launching, however, was a trajectory under her control. Water Tribe Captain, Forecasting Fortune Teller, Deadly Precision, Bender's Waterskin, Jiang the Deserter, Heartless Act, Master Piandao, Knowledge Seeker, the library. It's a cool episode. Then Suki, Courageous Rescuer. Other creatures you control get +1/+0. Whenever another permanent you control leaves the battlefield during your turn, create a 1/1 white ally creature token. This ability triggers only once each turn. Now, Leaves from the Vine. That's a cool looking card. Nice Saga card. Let's see. Mill 3 cards, then create a food. Put a +1/+1 counter on each up to 2 target creatures. Draw a card if there is a creature or lesson card in your graveyard. We'll give that one a scan too. Just, ooh, double foil. A nice Sun-Blessed Peak. And this land enters tapped. Add red or white. Sacrifice this land. Draw a card. I'm always a sucker for the foil land cards. Then an ally token and a clue token. And like I said before, as always, we'll scan these cards and see the market value. I don't plan on ever selling, and I put this in all my videos. I don't recommend buying boxes. Usually a waste of your money. I just like to collect, and I think it's fun. If you're trying to build decks, buy singles. Let's see. We'll start with that Saga card. That is an 11-cent card, non-foil, but I doubt it's much crazier for being foiled. Next, we'll do Suki, Courageous Rescuer. That is a 17-cent card. A crazy. Nothing crazy. All right, and then we will do. Let's see, Sorceress Spyglass. That's from Eldraine. That is a 9-cent card. So no hits today so far. Then we'll do Zul Ashur, Lich Lord. There you go. And that is a 76-cent card. So we're getting up there, almost at $1. Then we'll do Secret Tunnel. Oh, it doesn't want to scan. Interesting. Put it in manually. Okay, that is $1.81. So biggest hit of the day so far. And then we'll do a Ran and Shaw with the special art, borderless. do like the art on that card. It's really nice. That is $1.40. So overall, biggest hits are from the Avatar, nothing more than $2. So nothing great today, but another day, another pull. Always happy with that. So until next time, I will check y'all later.